na identical na tinitingnan mo ang river. Kasi as it flows, as the rock formation changes, as the current changes, laging iba-iba ang itsura ng same river na tinitingnan natin. Wonderful illustration. Wonderful figurative description of how the move of God is in our lives. Kaya when you read Psalm chapter 87, marami pang mga mayayamang mga revelations dito. Pero for me, I think I have exhorted that long time ago. Pero for me, yun siguro yung tatlong bagay na nagiging fresh sa akin. One is I want to personally claim my area of rulership. Pangalawa, I want to continue to be thankful to God in the recognition and the blessings that come along with being recognized as a family member of Zion. And number 3,